Want to know how to check if a port is open or closed in Java? So here's how to check if a specific port is open or closed on a device using Java in just a minute. So I'm just going to show you through a small simple compiler. You can also try it in a real GUI program and much more. So first things first, what we do is we just simply create a socket object with the host name and port number. For example, localhost and port 8080 right here. We have written a port 8080 and our host name is localhost. So if the connection succeeds, the port is open, and if an error occurs, it's closed. We wrap the socket in a tiny with a resources block, so it automatically closes after checking. So this is useful for developers testing servers, APIs or databases to verify network activity. Just change the port number or host name to check other systems easily. And that's it. That's how you detect open and closed ports in Zap. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.